In ancient India, a boy picked up grains of rice, asking, "What is the smallest part of matter?" That boy became Kanaad Muni, remembered as the father of atomic theory. His name, Kanaad, means eater of particles, the one fascinated by the tiniest grain. Unlike kings and priests, Kanaad lived as a seeker of truth, studying nature. He asked, "Can matter be divided endlessly, or does it end at a final particle?" His answer gave birth to one of the world's earliest atomic philosophies. Kanaad declared, "All matter is made of indivisible, eternal units called Paramāṇu. These atoms are subtler than the senses, invisible and indestructible. Atoms combine in countless ways to form every object in the universe." From this childlike curiosity emerged a vision that still astonishes science. Kanaad said, "Atoms are eternal. They are never created, never destroyed. Atoms differ in qualities, giving rise to the diversity of matter. 2 atoms combine into a dyad, 3 into a triad, building molecules. These molecules form substances like earth, water, fire, and air. Atoms carry weight, heat, lightness, and fluidity. Their combinations explain shapes, colors, and textures of the world.
Atoms can rest silently or move dynamically.
Motion arises from unseen forces, which Kanaad called adrishta. The entire universe is a dance of atoms, uniting and separating. For Kanaad, change itself was the drama of Paramāṇu.
Kanaad explained fire rising upward because its atoms are light.
Stones fall downward because earth atoms are heavy. Fruit ripens as heat rearranges its atomic structure. An earthen pot blackens in fire when atoms transform. Kanaad described storms, winds, and magnetism in atomic terms. Plant growth, he said, was atoms steadily combining over time. Rivers flow because water atoms seek their natural downward path. Thunder and rain arise when cloud atoms collide in motion. Every natural phenomenon, for Kanaad, returned to atomic laws. The unseen atomic world governed everything visible in nature. Kanaad went further. He classified all of existence. Kanaad described 6 great categories of reality, known as the Padarthas. First, dravya in substance, the foundation of being. Second, guna, qualities like taste, color, and smell.
Third, karma, activity, the source of change.
Fourth, samanya, generality, the common features of all things. Fifth, vishesh, particularity, the uniqueness of each atom. Sixth, samavaya, the inseparable bond between substance and qualities. This framework unified matter, mind, and philosophy.
Kanaad built one of the earliest scientific classification systems.
Around the same time, Greek thinkers also imagined atoms.
Their atoms differed only in size and shape.
Kanaad's atoms carried qualities, properties, and cosmic order. Greek atomism was materialist. Indian atomism was spiritual and scientific. Kanaad saw atoms as part of cosmic law, not random motion. To know atoms was to know the structure of the universe. Understanding the universe, he said, could lead to liberation, moksha. Indian atomism joined physics with philosophy and ethics. Kanaad gave atoms purpose, not just mechanics. Science and spirituality found unity in his vision. Kanaad lived 2,500 years ago, yet his ideas echo modern science.
He said atoms are indivisible, like today's protons and electrons. He described dyads and triads, like modern molecules.
He spoke of unseen forces, like today's fields and energies. Atoms at rest or in motion anticipate Newton's laws. Cycles of creation and destruction resemble cosmology today.
Atoms unseen by senses resemble quantum particles.
Kanaad's atomic qualities foreshadow the periodic table.
His molecules mirror the logic of chemical compounds.
Matter and motion, he said, are inseparable truths. Based on what we read today, Kanaad's principles match much of atomic theory.
Some even suggest he hinted at wave-like behavior.
It seems as though he glimpsed the idea of a wave function.
Yet, we do not know if all of quantum theory was within Kanaad's system. Still, his insights were astonishingly close to our modern understanding.
Science begins not with tools, but with questions.
Kanaad asked, "What is the smallest unit of existence?"
That question gave birth to India's atomic philosophy.
He described the invisible centuries before microscopes. Kanaad showed that thought can see what eyes cannot. Knowledge transcends time when guided by curiosity. Kanaad's vision places India at the roots of science. His atomic theory is also a philosophy of life.
Today, as we study quantum fields, his wisdom echoes.
Kanaad Muni, the sage who saw the atom and perhaps the first glimpse of quantum thought. Let us spread this rich knowledge of our ancestors to the world.
If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe for more.